Okay, we're filming the demo of the Pre 2 using a Pre 1, which is kind of fun.
Okay, so with the Pre 2, the main changes we had on it, we've actually changed the top of it so it has a glass front housing on it. We've also gone through and added a 5-megapixel camera, so sped up, made it a better camera, but still kept that 1-second capture, so you actually get those lifelong images without having to wait for it to come through. And we've also gone through on the inside of it and added a gigahertz processor, so it's twice as fast as the Pre. Really, it's the fastest palm out there, and really you can see as you're going through different applications, just swiping through the multiple apps that are open on it. Really, definitely, it's very slick, very much performant device. Some of the other stuff we've added on here is we've taken the multitasking that we really love on the Pre, and we've added so you can go through now as you open different applications, you start getting these stacks. And what stacks are is it allows you to go through and actually group like things together, sort of like what you do on your desktop. So if you're going through on here, you'll actually see I've got Google Maps hooked together. I've got OpenTable, the restaurant I was looking to look at. I've got the reviews of that restaurant. And all of them are in one place so that I can go do other things. I can, whether I want to sit here and go play Angry Birds some, whatever it's going to be, I can have everything set. And when I want to go back to it, the stack's there and everything's in order for it. The other piece we really focused on with WebOS 2.0 is the Just Type. And what Just Type does is really just that. Anything you want to do on the device, you just type. I'm looking for a contact, I'm looking for making email. We'll just go through and I'll just type weather. And as I'm typing, you'll see I've got Weather Channel shows up in my different apps. I can look at Google and it allows me to suggest things, so I can have a quick look up for Google. I've got my global address look, so I can go to my Exchange server. And then we expanded how we actually do the dedicated searches going to websites. So whether I go to Google Maps or Wikipedia or Twitter. And really what we did here is we allowed you to go through and say, hey, if I go to a site that has something called OpenSearch, which is a standard web technology, it allows you to go through and just add it on here. So if I go to New York Times, if I go to ESPN, it will jump on, I can actually add it directly to this list and always use it to really customize my searches. And finally we went down and really, something that harkened back to the old Palm days of pen and paper and bringing it onto the device, where whatever I typed when I started just typing on the keyboard, I can make a new SMS, I can make a new memo, I can expand this, I can update my Facebook status just by tapping on it. It will take whatever I put in there, in this case weather, and say weather is nice.
Upside down.
And all I do is hit update, and this will add right to my Facebook status. So again, just type, do whatever you want on the device.
Perfect. Thank you very much.